think it's too far to jump. Just kidding, I'm not jumping that. But would you look at that? Somebody forgot to hide their rope. I'm gonna check that wall up there real quick, and then I want to go down there. Let's hop to it. Oh, I wish I still had my drone. So embarrassing dropping that thing down in the ocean like that. That episode got real expensive real quick. Truly heartbreaking. But drop a like and subscribe because I'm making sacrifices over here, bucko. Let's see if we can get anything out of this wall. It doesn't look too promising at first glance. So what I'm doing here is I'm just sort of looking through the slough. I think people call it screed, something like that. I'm just looking through it to see if there's any signs of anything, and I'm really not seeing anything. This is the closest thing to a concretion, and it's, you know, really grainy. So, but yeah, mainly that's the first thing I want to do.